Hi everyone, and today tatalakayin natin or pag-uusapan natin tungkol sa generation na to. Bakit some other people, especially millennials and Gen Z, decided not to have a children. So, medyo concerning to be honest kasi nga maybe the one reason that they don't want to have kids is yung high cost of living. Totally number one yon. Kasi nga, the prices of oils, the prices of food, the prices of groceries, yung pamasahe. Ang hirap eh. Especially, yung salary mo is not that much. Tapos, pagkatapos ng, pagkatapos ng year, magkakaroon ng mga increments. Hindi ka mabibigyan ng increments. And kung mabibigyan ka naman, parang napakaliit. Hindi siya na-offset. Kumbaga, sa akin na lang, I did some experiment kung pwede. Siguro this here in Singapore, pwede gawin ko kaya yung $10 per day. So, ang nangyari, since pagod na rin ako umuuwi, tapos hindi naman ako nagluluto masyado, especially this company na napasukan ko, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung bigay sa akin. So, I make a point na gusto kong mag-save. So, trinay ko yung $10 per day. Yun nga. Mukhang hindi ko masya. Kasi yung mga sa mga presyo ng mga food dito sa Singapore, it's like nasa minimum $550 per meal. Wala ka pang drinks nun. So, i-compute nyo na lang kasi $1 dito sa Singapore is equivalent to 47 pesos. So, ang hirap. Especially pag bumabiyahe pa ako ng 3 stops bago dumating sa office ko. So, magkano na yon? And then, buti na lang din dahil yung company may mga goodies na binibigay sa amin like yung mga merienda, which is a good thing. Nakatulong na rin sa budget ko yon. So, dinner ko parang nasa hawker. Kung pwede lang sana yung mga sabaw-sabaw na lang para mapagkasya ko. Napagkasya ko naman siya in fairness. Pero the way to satisfy yourself, parang wala eh. It's like you are in survival mode, kumbaga, sa $10 per day. So, yeah, masyadong maliit yung budget for $10 per day. Especially when you're doing work, you need to eat, we need to travel, wala, GG. As in, die. Second thing, the reason why ayaw nilang magkaroon ng children or child is because siguro sa career growth. Kasi educational purpose na lang. Okay, for educational purpose na lang. Pag nagkaroon ka ng ano to? Anak. Okay. Paaralin mo siya. So, gagastos ka, di ba? Magkano na ngayon yung mga tuition fees? Especially yung mga private. Naka po. Abot ata ng 100,000 depende sa school, kung university pa. Paano? You know, you got what I mean. Yung mga baon nila. Tapos yung career mo, hindi ganun ganun kataas yung bigay sa'yo. And then you have this child na kailangan mong, pakainin, paaralin. So, pinupunta ko lang yung sarili ko yung mga ayaw magkaroon ng children. Kasi kung titignan mo, paano naman sila? Okay. Paano naman ako? How can I provide myself yung mga gusto ko, yung, I don't know, the parenthood of, yeah, it's nuts. It's nuts. It's nuts. Ano pa? Economic uncertainties. Yun, yung mga reasons ng bakit yung mga millennials and Gen Z ayaw magtrabaho, magkaroon ng child. Siguro yung security nila, ba? Yung future economy. Yung mga yun. Yeah. Next thing is mental health. Some of they are already significant pressure dahil siguro pagod na sila sa work, and then na-stress na sila sa mga boss, and darating pa sila sa bahay. They need to feed the children. Or they need to take care of them. As I said, hindi naman ipunta na lang natin sa utak natin na if that person doesn't have any, you know, maraming extra sa pera niya or budget niya. You know, pagod ka na nga, pupunta ka pa sa bahay, you can, wow, it's totally mess up. Kumbaga. Next thing is relationship trends. So, mga ayaw mag-asawa. Well, I cannot blame them dahil siguro kung mag-aasawa sila, you know, they choose the wrong person, or maybe they really don't want to have kids. So, they choose to, you know, mag-isa na lang, or if ever man magkaroon sila ng relationship, they need to talk na parang they don't want to have kids, or understanding that they don't want to have kids para lang siguro masustain nila yung career growth nila, yung house nila, and yung mabuild yung income nila as a boyfriend and girlfriend or mag-asawa. Ayun. Yeah, that's it. Yung mga naiisip ko. Next thing is desire of freedom. Ayun. Freedom. We love freedom. I love freedom. Everyone loves freedom. Decision making ulit. Langaw. Decision making. Wala nakikialam sa kanya. They can eat whatever they want. Maraming nagva-values about the flexibility of their life. Like mga hobbies, travel, independence, mga ganun. Which can more benefit, which can more difficult, especially when you have a kids. Ang hirap mag-travel pag naiiwan talaga yung mga bata, yung mga anak mo. Kailangan mo silang i-considerate, and yeah, sira na naman yung budget mo. Of course, money is always there, and for me, having a kids, I don't mean isa lang. Having a bunch of kids in a one parenthood, it's a really struggle. And I believe that having lots of kids it can go to poverty. Kasi there will be a fatigue. Yeah, there will be a fatigue na may mga sacrifices ka na mga ibang anak mo, hindi mo mapapag-aral. And yeah, it's crazy. I'm saying about these average persons, ha? I'm not telling about the persons that, may kaya naman sila even though I'm talking about these people na nagtatrabaho for everyday life, a normal people like us. Yeah, hindi ko naman nilalahat. Itong millennial and Gen Z generation, it doesn't mean na it doesn't mean na ayaw nilang magkaroon ng children or baby, Nakikita lang siguro nila yung mga realities, what will happen to them if ever, they could have a children, Raising a child is really costly, totally costly talaga. Been there. Very hard. And then, imbis na you can go out to your friends, you're changing your priorities. maybe this generation today is, maingat na lang sila sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa mga buhay nila, and especially this economy. So they're concerned about it, and for me, I'm concerned about it too, na you really need to decide properly, because in the end, nag-decide ka na magkaroon ng child, ikaw din pala mahihirapan. At dahil ikaw nahihirapan din yung baby mo or children mo. So yeah, that's all my opinion. Don't don't be angry with me. Kasi nga, this is only for the people who doesn't want to decide to have children. So, yun lang yung mga thoughts ko kung bakit. You know, I don't know. So yeah, if ever man may comment kayo, and please don't hate me, comment lang sa below, and more stories to come. And remember to like and subscribe. See you. Bye-bye.
밖에 비가 내려 빗방울이 번져 같은 내 감정도 조금씩 번져가